Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you this taco kit that I got for $1.50 at my local grocery store. So let me just show you guys what is up inside this box. I am like really shocked. This was $1.50. Comes with salsa. It comes with like some seasoned chicken and tortillas. But I am not going to be eating the salsa nor the tortillas. I am just going to use the chicken breast. And when I tell you guys, this chicken breast is like really hefty. So of course I'm going to be making me a bowl. I got some cilantro, some tomato, lettuce, and onions that I'm going to be putting in the bowl. And I'm also going to put some queso cheese in there to give it a little flavor. And I may add a little blue cheese dressing. I may do that, but this is what I am going to be making. So first I'm just going to steam the broccoli in this bag, and I'm going to put a lot of that in this bowl. This is going to be like the base of my bowl, right? With all of the broccoli. Then I'm going to add the chicken, and I'm just going to steam this in the bag as well. And I'm gonna pull some of it apart because it was kind of like thick chicken breast, like thick pieces. So I'm gonna pull that apart and kind of get it all nice and neat. And then I'm gonna add my toppings. I don't know what it is this week, but I have been becoming obsessed with these like poke bowls, these nutritional bowls, these Buddha bowls, whatever kind of bowls you want to call them. I have been obsessed with this, but these bowls keep me from snacking on something sweet. I eat one of these bowls and it fills me up to the max, and there's no points. Wait until I show you guys what these points be from these bowls. It's like unbelievable. I still be having like a good 3 to 5 net carbs left, and it's so crazy because my max daily net carbs is only 18 grams. So it's like to still have 3 to 5 carbs left, I can't believe it. And to be satisfied and full and feeling like you ate a delicious meal and you didn't deprive yourself, like, oh, I'm with this. Now, my son also found these new sparkling waters from Sprout. Now, I will admit, when you first taste it, you're going to be like, what is that? But after that, it kind of grows on you. So they are pretty good. So I'm just going to have one of those with my bowl. And voila, a quick and easy $1.50 meal. Let's even say this meal is, I would say about $6 because it's $1.25 for the broccoli, the bag of broccoli, $1 for the tomatoes, 79 cents for the onions, and the cilantro is $2. And this is not even a whole pack of it. So it's like, look at this cheap meal. Keto is so inexpensive and it's so much more variety for you. I love it. All right, you guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I thank you guys for sharing the space with me. I thank you for joining me. And as always, I thank you for watching.